Welcome back to this video. If you use Microsoft Edge browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to secure your Microsoft Edge against hacker and malicious link step-by-step guide. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then this is going to pop up. Then come down below right here, all the way to settings. Click on settings, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to privacy, search, and services. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to security, and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular spyware blocker. So what you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here, and with that, Microsoft Edge is going to use AI detector to confirm if a link or website is a scam website or a potential harmful is detected. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Microsoft Edge security. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.